This video explains contempt of court, how to complete contempt orders, and how to serve them. You will likely need to watch this video several times. Take notes too. Post-judgment civil litigation is a specialized area of law. Taking notes and re-watching the video will assist you in completing orders correctly. Is this video for me? Did the judge presiding in the post-judgment courtroom tell you that your citation to debtor was properly completed? Did the judge presiding in the post-judgment courtroom tell you that your citation to debtor was properly served? If you answered yes to both questions, then this video is for you. If you answered no to either of these questions, then this video is not for you. This video outlines how to start contempt of court proceedings. The creditor can request permission from the judge to initiate contempt of court proceedings against a debtor in the following situations. 1. The debtor does not appear in court after being properly served with a correctly completed citation to debtor. 2. The debtor initially appears in court pursuant to a citation to debtor, but then fails to return for document production or a citation examination. 3. When a debtor returns to court pursuant to the citation to debtor, without having produced the documents he or she was ordered by the court to produce. 4. If the judgment creditor discovers that the debtor has spent, sold, or transferred assets, violating the citation stay. A rule to show cause initiates contempt of court proceedings. It is an order issued by the court requiring the debtor to appear and explain why a sanction should not be issued against them. If the court finds a debtor in contempt of court after a hearing, or if the debtor fails to appear pursuant to the served rule to show cause, the creditor can ask the court for a sanction or a body attachment. A body attachment authorizes law enforcement to take the individual into custody and bring them before the court. Completing form rule to show cause orders for Courtroom 1401. In Courtroom 1401, two form orders are used for issuing a rule to show cause, CCM 0019 and CCM 0136A. Clerk's Office Form CCM 0019 is the Courtroom 1401 form checkoff fillable order. Download or have the forms up on your desktop as you watch this video. It will make the instructions I am about to give more meaningful. Complete CCM 0019 in the following manner. Fill in the caption completely, including the case number. Check who appeared in court. If this is your first rule order, check the citation box only. If this is a subsequent rule order, known as an alias rule order, check the citation and rule boxes. Go to the middle of the form, check the box Rule to show cause issued against. On the line, write the name of the debtor. If the debtor is a corporation, write the name of the person who was served with the citation to debtor at the corporation. A person's name must be listed on this line. On the line below, circle the relevant option, failure to appear on a served citation, or failure to comply with court order of. If the debtor was ordered to provide documents or to do something specific by the judge in a court order, circle this option and indicate the date the court order was entered in the line next to this option. The box must be checked, and one of these options must be circled. If your Adobe PDF program does not allow you to circle, draw a line through the irrelevant option. You must indicate the reason for issuing the rule, or the judge will not enter the order. On the line below, check the box next to returnable. This will be the next court date. You choose the next court date, no weekends or holidays, and you must allow sufficient time for the rule to be personally served. Make sure your name, complete address, and telephone number are filled in at the bottom left side of the order. So, emailing the order. When finished, prepare the supporting documents for the rule to show cause order. These documents are 1. A copy of the complete citation to debtor packet that you had served on the debtor. 2. The affidavit of personal service from the sheriff or process server. 3. The CCM 0019 draft rule order in its own PDF. Email the draft order to the judge at room1401hearings@gmail.com. If the draft rule order is completed correctly, the judge will enter it, stamp it, and return it to you. You are now ready to complete form order CCM 0136A. Do not send CCM 0136A to the judge. Fill out CCM 0136A completely. Do not tell the debtor to appear in person in Courtroom 1401. Instead, type the court's Zoom information, the ID and password. Once you have completed this form, you must have it personally served on the debtor with the CCM 0019 rule order you received back from the judge. Watch video number 7 if you require a refresher on how to properly and personally serve documents.